Remote controller calibration. Power on the remote controller and connect it to the phone correctly. Tap Settings in the upper right corner of the flight interface in the app. Find Remote Controller Calibration under Remote Controller Settings. After entering the calibration interface, toggle both joysticks towards all directions. Besides, toggle the dial back and forth to the maximum extent until the app indicates that the calibration is successful. Compass calibration. Tap Settings, then choose Calibrate. After entering the calibration state, place the drone about 1.5 meters above the ground. When the LED indicator of the drone flashes red and green, follow the on-screen prompts to rotate the drone horizontally. When the LED indicator of the drone flashes blue and green, follow the on-screen prompts to rotate the drone vertically, until the app prompts that the calibration is successful. Disassembly and assembly of propellers. When disassembling the screws on the propellers, press and hold the motor with your fingers to prevent the motor from rotating. When replacing the propeller, pay attention to the markings on it. Unmarked propeller shall be mounted on the unmarked arm. And make sure the propeller screws are tightened in place. When replacing propellers, do replace both blades and screws on the same motor. Marked propeller shall be mounted on the marked arm.